Alright guys, I got myself a new thermostat on here. You can see there's really no load in here today, so my old camera died yesterday, so I had to come back and get the final on this video. So we'll run this. I'll get my stuff set up and we'll run it. I tried using the old thermostat, but it was all burnt out from the burnout, so I had to change it. And what was happening was the heat strips are coming on at the same time as the air conditioning. So we just put the new thermostat in. It's working fine now. Alright guys, I got my high and low side hooked up there with the probes. The low side and the high side here. I got all my probes reading. Now I'm going to go and put these in the ductwork. Probe 1 is the supply. Probe 2 is the return. Probe 3 is the low side. Probe 4 is the low side, I'm sorry. Probe 3 is the I got the repeater also. So let me go get this stuff in, then we'll start it up. Alright guys, looks like I'm connected. Probe 3, probe 4. Connected. Alright, let's start it up. Alright, so it's on cooling. And we'll turn it down so it runs. There's a little delay on it. Now this is a RUD, so the reversing valve is energized in heating mode on the reversing valve for the heat pump on the RUD. The other one, it was energized in the cooling mode on the O terminal. The RUD, it gets energized on the B terminal. I said I was here yesterday and I did charge it. We were about 10 degrees subcool yesterday is what I was at. It was a hotter day. I'll let it run. Let it run and stabilize. Got my subcool pretty much where I want it, 10. Like I said, there's really no load here today. Suction line temperature, liquid line temperature. No, I told the electrician he could use the old whip. He had used the whip, but I couldn't even get the door off, so I had to come and I replaced that whip after. I had to come back behind him and change the thing. Kind of pissed, but, you know. But he leaves shit like that, you can't even get the door off. So I ended up putting a longer whip in there. If you want the job done right, you gotta do it yourself. I'm not a big fan of these valves. You gotta get the long T-handle wrenches to turn them on. This is the old style RUD. I think I'm good with that, guys. I know it's a kind of a little glary, but do the best I can for you guys. But I'm good with that. According to this, I'm a little low on the, I try adding a little bit of gas. I punched all the numbers in and try adding a little gas, see if I can ring it up a little bit. Alright guys, I'm going to put a little bit more gas in it and see. Just go right in the low side with it. Gotta be careful, you can throttle it down right here. What I did was I put the hose on there and I bled it before I opened it. I brought it up a little bit, but I'm staying right there. I'm not going any more than that. Alright guys, I'm pretty good with that right there. That's about the best I want to get at right there, so. I don't want to put any more in it. It's running good like that. It's a cool day, there's no load in the house, but this is as good as I can get it right there. It's two-stage heat. The first stage will kick the heat pump on, second stage will kick in the 15 kW heat strips.